So this is before and this is after. You can clearly see the difference. All right, so quickly let me show you how you can wrap your car door seals so that you move from something like this to something like this. That looks super glossy, beautiful, clean and neat. Now, in order to do this kind of task and manage to pull it off well, you'll need a couple of tools. So we will need a squeegee. Then we have a blade cutter. This is a trim remover tool, helps us to remove the door seal from the car. This is a tape measure to measure the vinyl before we cut it. Pair of scissors. Because this is vinyl, we will need a heat gun. So these are the tools that we're going to use, and this is the roll of the vinyl. So to start it off, we need to measure. I usually leave like a centimeter just for errors in case. This is supposed to be like 68, 67, but I will take it to be a 70. 70 by 14. I'm going to remove it before I apply. This is our material that we're going to use, and this is our seal. Remove like a quarter of the backing paper of the vinyl. Then you position your seal in the middle to make sure that it's super balanced and you have enough space to play with on both ends. And make sure that also the vinyl will be enough on both ends, on this side and also on this side, all right? The purpose for the heat gun is to bend this vinyl perfectly so that it just falls onto the seal very well. You see, when you apply the heat, this vinyl actually is supposed to bend by itself. You see that? You see that? You see that when you apply the heat, it's supposed to bend. Then you just use your hands to make the correction. Now, before folding this end, let's first do this side as well. So basically the main exercise now is done. Now let's do the folding at the end. And now we are done. These are the ready-made carbon fiber wrapped door seals. And that's it. These are your brand new carbon fiber wrapped door seals. Feel free to let me know what I should be wrapping next. Should we do side mirrors, door handles, spoilers? And subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So now you can compare this and just a plain plastic. You see there is a very big difference.